All right, walking out here, I think I found a birthday girl. Birthday!
Hello. I'm watching the AQUA CYCLE going on.
Oh, they're exercising out there by the pool.
Yeah, so this is main pool. There's lots of activities going to be happening today. It's nice and toasty, and yeah, we're just waiting on the crew. Look how pretty the ocean looks today. First stop, it's going to be the Lazy River. That's what
Lazy River. Well, I've made it to the Lazy River, but somehow I don't have the little floaty balloon thing to Lazy River along. I don't know what's going on here. The water is nice. It's cold, refreshing, because it's really hot out. But it looks like I can get out of here. But I need a floaty. And once I have it, then I can lazily move along the river. So that's what we're doing. Well, a quick update on this floaty situation. They don't have any left. So I guess you're here, or if you're here, and you would like to go on the Lazy River, you gotta come here early enough to get one of the little floaty things. But it's not bad just hanging around in the water. There is a poolside bar that serves you while you're in the pool. There's a little bridge with a slide. People are sliding around. So, not too bad. It would be nice with a floaty though.
It would be. It would be. So now we just need to be on the hunt for an open floaty to see if we can command its usage.
Yeah. But if not, I guess it's fine. We'll survive.
You got one.
The water's not too bad. I think it's only like 3 or 4 feet.
Well, that was 4.6.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it's pretty high on me. So like, yeah, you can see it posted. Most of it appears to be 4 and 3 here. Okay.
For reference, I am a solid, really tall, I don't think anybody has picked up on that, but I'm actually really tall, 5'7". And the 4 3/4 isn't too bad.
I am 5'2" and 3/4. Don't forget that 3/4, because that makes all the difference. So I'm good too. I can easily stand. I'm not even on my tippy toes.
All right, maybe I'm gonna mosey on over to the bar. The rest of our party has floaties somehow. That's good, because they're the ones that don't really swim. Well, Uncle Vince swims. They don't have any more.
Huh? Over here. All right, I see some action happening here. Hi there. It's getting in.
Trying to slow down.
Yeah? That's your attempt? How's it going, friends?
It's what? It's a hospital. I don't think it will be, but if it is, we need to go.
Have you hit anybody?
Yeah. I've been hitting people all over the place.
It's really hard. You almost can't control it.
Yeah. But somebody's like stalled out, like parked up on one of the curves. I bumped right into her. That's the path.
That is the life. I'm walking it. As you can see, it is really not deep right now. It's only about 3 feet. Yeah, 3 feet. And it's a nice little loop. It's a nice little loop around. I mean, I could do this all day long, right?
I've got like 5 more minutes in me until I gotta get out of here and have a beverage and a snack.
Oh, look, more little fruits. It's been so amazing to see all the different fruits that are growing on these trees. It's really cool. I'm not ready for a snack. We just had breakfast, but I am ready to get back to my drink. What's happening? What's happening? Are you going backwards?
I don't know what's happening.
Your hand is calling me. Oh, that's funny. We gotta get back over there. The please. I see you. All right. Oh, children. All right.
We're moving too fast.
Go. There.
I know, but I'm
How's the speed now?
I think it's still too fast.
This isn't aggressive.
It is quite aggressive.
They want you to keep it moving. Let's do the room tour. Can't believe I haven't shown you the room yet. It's a little echoey up here. I am in the entryway. Let's see. So first thing we notice, lots of different closets here. We really didn't use the closets. I think I used it just to hang up my dresses and then hang up my bag. They have their safe up there. And we had a hard time finding the hair dryer and the iron, but there it is, no ironing board. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. So this room, definitely nothing to write home about, but it was what we needed. So we've got the sink up here, shower. I will tell you the pressure on the shower. What did you think of the pressure? Wasn't it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good. Nice and strong. So it has 2 queen beds. We originally booked and I had a mountain view. I don't know how mountain view this view is. The beds were very comfortable. You guys, if you like to sleep cold, this AC is a beast. When we first walked in, I think they had it set to 68. We were freezing. And the fan was really high. Like it's intense, this thing. You can even hear it right now. So we were definitely really cold the first night or the first day, and we figured it out. We figured it out. What do you got going on there? What's happening?
Diamond member gift. Thank you, Hilton.
Yes. So we've got our 2 queen beds here. Look what we got going on there. Looks like this week's episode. So you better be watching. Let's check out the balcony. So you guys, door is super heavy. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. I opened it yesterday and then I didn't want to close it because I thought I was gonna get stuck outside. Can you imagine if I got stuck out here by myself? So this was cute little patio. And our view, let me show you. So there's the pool, that's the main pool down there. So we've been having breakfast right below that. That is one of the restaurants. There's been people hanging out in all of their balconies, and this is the front of the hotel. So there's some mountains. There they are. Not much going on here, but that is a-okay. That is the room tour. What do you think? I want to know, have you stayed at all-inclusives before? And how do the rooms compare? We're gonna keep packing it up. We'll go back to you in just a little bit. Good morning.
Good morning. Everything Irie out here in Jamaica.
It is. It is nice and warm. We are enjoying our last day here in Jamaica. We're at the East End Beach. There was quite the festivities last night. They had an outdoor concert for everybody staying at the hotel. It was supposed to start at 6 with a DJ. We found out that Jamaican time is a real thing, and it actually started about 7:30, almost 8 o'clock. But we're here wandering around, just checking out the sights and sounds. Let me show you what I'm seeing right now. We got our tractor friend. You guys, this is the commitment that our hotel has. They clean up the beach all nice, make sure it's easy to walk on, and they're taking care of the seaweed. We meant to come and have breakfast here. We may enjoy second breakfast. I'm not really sure. I had an omelet for breakfast this morning. It was delicious. The omelet stations have been hopping. Like, it was always a line to get an omelet, but I was patient today and I just waited it out. And you guys know I I love a good vendor event. So we have our vendors setting up for the day. We're gonna check out their arts and crafts when we walk back. How you feeling?
I'm good. It's hot, and this was a nice short weekend. And of course, doing a all-inclusive resort is not typically our thing. We're usually out with the locals, just hanging around. Yeah, we mix in touristy stuff, but for the most part, with the exception of the couple of hours that we spent outside, we've been at the resort mostly. If it's your thing, then great. If not, then it is what it is. But I wouldn't foresee many of these popping up on our channel. Maybe a few sprinkled in here and there, but yeah, I think we've decided we're just gonna stick to our usual.
Yeah, well, let's be honest, we're not made for beach. We're not made for the beach. We don't like it. I know I don't like to sweat. We like to sweat.
Get me back to Europe!
We like the colder weather better. But this is still, it's been really beautiful. I hate the word but, right? Because it always sounds like I'm about to say something negative. It's not. This is beautiful for those that enjoy the tropical environment. This is cool. We are gonna take you down. Oh, look, are they preparing for another celebration, birthday celebration for us? Maybe? Let's go check out the rest of this beach and see how far the property goes.
All right, what did you rope us into?
I found an adventure for us. Look at this.
This is an AQUA CYCLE.
AQUA CYCLE.
Yeah, man, AQUA CYCLE is fun. Yeah, man, a lot of work. Yeah, work those times.
All right.
Yeah. Once you work together, you will be all right. Don't worry about it.
All right, all right.
Take your time. Get around it.
Okay.
Put your foot right here. And then you kind
Some kind of manual
right.
boat thing.
Will it flip over?
No, you won't.
Okay.
Once it goes in the water, you're good.
Okay.
So you just take a little ride around there, all right?
Okay, awesome.
All right. Very good, okay? It's gonna be a little bit bumpy. Once
Go.
it goes further, you go. No. All right.
I love it.
I don't think we're actually steering.
Yeah. We're on our own.
I don't know about this thing.
This is awesome. We're out here.
We are out here, but we're not turning. We've got this thing turned all the way. And okay, maybe now we might.
Yeah, now.
Okay.
You feel it?
It is a lot of work, though. This is what we got here. We are pedaling away.
Why are you trying to go to the shore? Let's go that way.
This is a little different than our boating experience in Denmark.
Yeah, this one's a lot more work. Well, I guess that one was work for you too. Nothing like a little workout before heading home.
AQUA CYCLEs.
AQUA CYCLE.
But there is just open ocean in front of us.
Does that look a little ominous?
A little bit.
Will they come and save us if we go out too far?
No, they will not. That's why they gave us the life vests. We gotta swim back, and then we put our room number down, so they're gonna charge us for this AQUA CYCLE.
That's so cool. going in circles.
Save us. Alright, paddle backwards. Paddle backwards. Stop. Paddle backwards.
Paddle
Paddle
backwards.
backwards. Okay.
Alright. Yes. Like that.
Oh, there we go. Okay. See, we did have to come in at it straight.
Alright, you can come forward now.
All right, let's go. We can do this. You got this.
There we go. Yeah, man. How was it?
That was really
That's
fun.
Really work. A real work, alright? Alright. Yeah, man, respect.
Okay, so
Take your time and get off. Alright.
Oh man. Yeah, that was a workout for sure.
I will surely follow you guys on YouTube.
Yeah,
alright?
you'll see yourself on there.
Yeah, man, no problem. Respect. Man, alright?
Man, that was kind of tough. I broke a little sweat there.